As we have Eve Valdez from Tarlac City. Eve Valdez is 90 years old. Hi Eve, bumati ka muna.
Hi, Will. Naimbag nga malam kada kayo amin, Apo. I am Eve Janine Valdez, and I'm immensely grateful to be here at Wawawin, most especially, of course, to be surrounded by the one and only Willie Revillame.
Surrounded, ha?
Surrounded.
Susurround
Ikot
kita.
ka, Will.
Surround kita, okay. That is what you call surrounded. Ah, okay. I like the word, ha?
Thank
Surrounded.
you. Surrounded.
What is
Para
your
all
dream?
around.
Okay. Taga Tarlac ka ba?
Yes.
Is it
my-
Kapampangan o Ilocano?
Ilocano.
Bumati ka ng mga
Yes. Naimbag nga malam kun rabii kada kayo amin, Apo, lalo na po sa aking kapamilya, and Pura and San Clemente, Tarlac will always be grateful to represent our province.
Gagaling ano? Parang nanood ako ng mga candidate ng mga ano talaga, no? Beauty pageant, no? Galing.
Thank you, Will.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what is your dream in life?
You know, Will, ever since I was young, I always want to be a flight attendant. Kaso, growing up, I thought that it's gonna be a dream deferred for me. Kasi I was about to take up tourism before, but then I realized and I've learned that kahit ano palang course mo, you can be a cabin crew or an FA in the near future. And so I took up communication. I am currently an incoming second-year college student studying at University of Santo Tomas, taking up communication as my degree.
Ano ba ang type mo sa isang lalaki?
Ayan. Alam mo, Will, I always want to have a guy na medyo intellectual. Alam mo yung parang societal aware siya sa mga nangyayari. Pero ang pinakagusto ko sa lalaki, yung kaya kong samahan at sabayan yung pag-food trip ko.
Pagkain, may kang kumain?
Super, hindi
Ano
pa
paborito
halata
mong
naman.
pagkain? Ano paborito mong pagkain?
Favorite ko ang sisig, Kapampangan dish.
Kung ikaw isang pagkain, ano ka? Yan.
Ayan.
Anong
First
pagkain ka?
If I were to become a food, I'd choose chocolates. Kasi chocolates are very versatile in a way na pwede mo siyang gamitin kapag nagluluto ka, o you can also eat it as your
Pero
dessert.
parang ano yan eh.
General.
Hindi yan pagkain talaga eh. Kumbaga, ano mo lang
Dish
yan eh.
na.
Ang tawag doon?
Favorite dessert.
Hindi, dessert. Dessert, parang ganun eh. Yun talagang food na gusto mong kinakain. Kasi mahilig kang kumain eh.
Pinakbet.
Pinakbet.
Yes.
Ano ka sa pinakbet? Yan. Hindi ba? Masarap eh.
Siguro, I'd be the bagoong in pinakbet. Alam mo, ang bagoong, Will, sobrang daming may ayaw because of its odor. Pero we don't know that bagoong is always coordinated with every dish we cook in our households. Most especially, hindi pwedeng walang bagoong ang pinakbet. Kaya naman, hindi pwedeng wala ako kasi hindi makukumpleto ang buhay mo.
Galing ha. Also, kare-kare. Kailangan din ng kare-kare ng bagoong.
Yes, bagoong.
Diba?
Alamang bagoong.
Ako naman gusto ko sa kare-kare, yung mani.
Man-
Hindi, kasi hindi ba? Tapos yung
Yes.
bagoong nun, may siling labuyo.
Sarap. Favorite ko ang sili wheel. Mahilig ako sa maanghang.
Ay.
Gusto ko ng may thrill.
Ay, pareho kayo ni Ariela.
Hello po, Miss
si
Ariela.
Mahilig si Ariela manganghang, kaya iniwan siya ng boyfriend niya nung una. Kasi sobrang...
Sobrang hot.
Oo.
Sobrang
Anyway,
may thrill.
here is the question.
Yes.
Nalaman mong nabaon sa utang ang iyong mahal na boyfriend. Dahil sa mga luho at bisyo niya. Magarbo. Humingi siya ng tulong para makapagbayad siya. Papautangin mo po siya. May utang siya. Nagsabit-sabit na. Papautangin mo ba? Han, may utang akong 2 milyon eh. Matutulungan mo ba ako?
You know, we all know that relationships come in a two-way street. Hindi pwedeng you just love someone just because of their physics, just because of their physical attribute. It is more than that. Most especially, na dapat nandyan ka sa mga panahong they needed you the most. And so if I were in a situation where my boyfriend has a lot of debt, And then it's my responsibility to help him. But aside from helping him, it is also my duty to educate him. Kasi hindi pwedeng hiram lang ng hiram because that can result to abusive relationship. You have to educate him that you have to prioritize things, and if ever I already lend you the money that you need, use it wisely and spend it on the things that you prioritize the most. Kasi money can always, pwede siyang maglaho, but then your investments will always be there lifetime.
So papautangin mo siya.
Yes, I will.
Eh what if, pinautang mo na. Ngayon, eto na, manghihiram na naman sa'yo. Hinihiram naman sa'yo yung makeup mo. Saka heels mo. Papahiramin mo?
Aside from loving someone, it is also important that we should always put in mind that love has no boundaries. If my boyfriend wants my makeup and my heels and everything that I have, then I'll let him. And if he chooses to be that kind of person, whether he likes to be in the LGBTQI+ community, then let him be. Kasi hindi natin makokontrol ang isang tao. And all of us have freedom to choose who are we gonna be as long as it gives us the peace of heart and peace of mind.
Nagbabait-baitan lang itong mga to eh. Kasi wala nang nanonood eh. Nalaman mo, nag-gay ang boyfriend mo. At nalaman mo na, may nagsabi siya, yung perang inutang sa'yo, dun binigay sa boyfriend niya.
Then, as what I said kanina, it is my duty to educate him. And I think na most of us tend to experience abusive relationships kasi we forget to teach them, to
But
teach.
ang tanong ko, okay lang ba sa iyo, malaman mo na yung boyfriend mo is a gay?
Of course, hindi po okay sa akin yun, Will. Pero after...
Nakikipaghiwalay ka ba?
Yes, of course.
Bakit?
Kasi if that's what he wants, then I think I know my worth enough as a woman and I'll choose myself
Kahit na
over
mahal na
him.
mahal mo siya?
Yes. Kasi it is not enough.
One reason, bakit makikipaghiwalay ka? Gusto ko lang malaman.
You know, Will, from the very beginning, I've experienced lots of failed relationships. I've experienced lots of people who were abusive to me emotionally. And so, kung mapupunta man po ako sa ganong pagkakataon,
Is that the right word, abusive? I don't think, kasi pag umiibig ka, pag may nasaktan ka, in-abuse ka na ba?
Hindi naman po.
Hindi naman siguro
Opo,
abusive.
yes po.
Maaaring-
More of taken for granted. Ayun, yun siguro yung tamang word, Will.
May boyfriend ka ba ngayon?
Yes po.
Ba't parang pinaparinggan mo yung boyfriend mo?
Ano po?
Parang pinaparinggan mo siya
Hindi
ngayon?
naman po. Mabait naman po siya.
Mabait naman.
Yes.
So, makikipaghiwalay ka kung malaman mo.
Yes.
Alam mo ba yung totoo sa boyfriend mo?
Po?
Alam mo ba?
Ay, may kailangan po ba akong malaman, Will?
Ikaw na lang malaman mo. Candidate number 3 from
Thank
Tarlac.
you so much. Thank
90
you.
years old, Eve Valdez.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Ipon. Minabati ko unang-una dyan mga kaipo natin, mga kaskwami ko dyan. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kaming inanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa Wowin YouTube channel. Tsaka, don't forget to hit the, the bell button para lagi ka updated. Yun lang!